Okay, everyone, let's check out the Hercules FX during one of the most active trading days of the month. This is about 7 or 8 minutes after the non-farm payroll for January 2008, and in general, the January numbers were anticipated to be weak. The expectation was 70,000 jobs, which was a very weak number, and the actual announcement came out even weaker than that. So, in general, a lot of weakness in the U.S. economy. So let's go ahead and go over here to Hercules. Now you can see, for example, the U.S. dollar coming into the announcement. You see here 824, 25, 26. All the way into 830, you see was fairly strong. Now, the strength was staying just under 4, and then suddenly dropped down in half, down to 150, and of course started to go sideways. Now, one thing that I want you to notice here is how effective the Hercules is in showing you what the true strength of the currency will be. For example, you can see here that the British pound was trading at about 6.25. So remember, we're looking at this on a scale from 0 all the way to 10. So 6.25 is just a little bit above halfway. Okay, it's not. It's not 7 or 8. So it's not really at the end of the scale. So you can see that actually after the initial spike here after the announcement, look at what happened to the British pound. It actually started to weaken a bit. On the other hand, the euro, you can see, strengthened a little bit. So let's go back and we'll look at the British pound. Now you can see the British pound is up considerably here on the hourly chart. Let's go ahead and switch over here to the euro, and we'll go to an hourly chart so we make sure we're looking at the same type of we're looking at apples to apples. We'll zoom in. So here's the euro, here's the pound. Now let's take a look at the different moves. This would be right before the report, but we'll just measure this whole hourly candle at 111 pips from high to low, and we'll look at the pound from high to low, 92, 93. But what's more important about this, let's zoom in just a little bit. You can see here we've got the Hercules running on the side here. Let me scrunch down my chart so we can see more of the strength. Notice here at 8:30, after the announcement, the British pound strength actually went down. Okay, so it was up here at 5 3/4, 6.25 right before the announcement. On the announcement, 5 3/4, then boom, down to 3 3/4. Notice how far the pound has moved off of the high. Notice here on the euro that it's keeping up at the high, and the strength on the euro has managed to stabilize and stay fairly strong. The same thing here on the Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar strength is staying high. The Swiss franc is staying high. Okay, so let's go down and take a look at this on a bit lower time frame. We'll go down to 15 minutes and then 15 minutes. Actually, no. Let's go down even further to 1 minute so we can get some good detail.